Let's see an example on do while. Let's take a real-time scenario. Okay. Imagine a scenario where a user is prompted to enter their ATM PIN. The system must validate the PIN and only allow access if it's correct. Okay. The do while loop ensures that the prompt for PIN is shown at least once. So even if the user enters an incorrect PIN. Okay. Let's see this one. Let me write the question first. Yeah, here's the question. So imagine a user is prompted to enter the ATM PIN. The system must validate the PIN and allow access only if PIN is correct. Cool. So for this, what I'll do is I'll take a scanner to read the input. Scanner of system.in. Let's import, organize imports. Now that's cool. So now what I'll do is I know what is the correct pin, so I'll be giving the correct pin. So I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4 is the correct pin. Let's imagine that 1, 2, 3, 4 is the correct pin. So now what I'll do is I'll try to read the pin from the user. So I'll say yes, YSO. I'll say enter the pin number for the pin number. So I'll say user pin. So user pin equals to scanner dot next pin. So I'll be reading the pin and I'll be storing into the user pin. So now what I'll do is here I'll write do system dot out dot println and sorry okay, so I have already read this one, right? So now what I'll do is I'll say this. Otherwise, I'll do one thing. I'll read this inside this one. Otherwise, we can do globally as well. So no problem in it. So now what I'll do is I'll write a condition. I'll be checking if my user pin is not equals to correct pin. So then what I have to do? I have to again try it again. Okay. So I'll say you have to try it again. So if the you have to say, so if the user pin is not equals to correct pin, so you should say something like this, invalid pin, something like this. We'll be getting the same mail, right? So invalid pin, please enter as valid pin or just valid pin. That's fine. So once we do that, okay. So again, it will. Once we do that, so here what we are doing, first what we are doing, we are entering the pin number and we are checking whether it is equals to the one which we have. Okay, so user pin which is we are entering and it is equals to the correct pin. So if it is not, so we'll say something like this. Now here we are writing the actual condition. So while user pin not equals to correct pin, so if the user pin not equals to correct pin, and here we are giving some attempts actually. Okay, so let's say if attempts, so let's say initially I'll be giving the attempts at 0. Okay, and here I'll say and attempts less than 3. It should be less than 3. If the attempts are less than 3, so here we have to increment the attempt. Fine. So here we have to increment attempt, not here, outside of this one. So let's say attempt plus. We'll be incrementing the value of attempt. Okay, after every thing, so we will be attempting. Now here we are checking the condition, and after the condition is successful, so every time we are checking the condition. After checking the condition, what we have to do, if the condition is fine, if it is successful, so you will be saying that user pin equals to what is this, correct pin, right? Correct pin. If both are same, so then we'll say, we'll give a simple message something like this: user pin verified, you're good to perform transactions. Okay, else I'll say something like this: yeah, the access denied. I'll say if user pin is not verified after, we'll be giving the items. I will write the items here actually. Items. Please check your pin. Otherwise, we can say that please items your account is locked. Please contact nearest. Something like this. Okay, cool. Okay, let's execute this one. Let's run as Java application. So enter pin, I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4. So at first time it said user verified. You're good to perform transactions. Now let's run it again. Run Java application. Now enter pin number. Now I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's an invalid pin number. Please enter a valid pin. Enter pin number again. So it's asking them to enter pin number again. So I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. So I'll say it is invalid pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'll give the valid pin. So it's saying that user pin verified. You're good to perform transaction. So if I continuously give, if I continuously give pin 3 times, so you'll get, like, see what would be the response. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you said invalid pin. Please enter valid pin number, and it is saying that user pin is not verified after attempts 3. Your account is blocked. Please contact nearest bank. Nearest branch, something like that. Or nearest branch, it's fine. Okay, that's it. Yeah, we have seen an example on do while as well. That's it for now. Thank you for watching the video.